Press the bell icon and never miss an update.
It's a trend in Bollywood that whoever actor fails to deliver on the box office doesn't get too many chances. Though there are few lucky actors who keep on getting work despite their movies getting flopped one by one such good example is Abhishek Bachchan. Abhishek Bachchan gave 15 flop movies back to back is itself a record for any Bollywood actor. अभिषेक फर्स्ट हिट मूवी वॉज धूम 1, जो कि हम सबको पता है कि धूम अभिषेक से ज्यादा जॉन अब्राहम की वजह से चली थी। खैर इस किस्से पर कभी और बात करेंगे, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्टर्स डोंट गेट सो मेनी चांसेस टू प्रूव देमसेल्व्स। Bollywood Real Reviews presents 10 Bollywood actors who don't come in movies anymore. Number 1. Isha Deol. Daughter of the dream girl Hema Malini and the macho man Dharmendra, a lot was expected out of her when her first movie released back in 2002, Koi Mere Dil Se Pooche, starring Aftab Shivdasani and Sanjay Kapoor, but her career never got kick-started. Her last Bollywood movie was Tell Me O Khuda in 2011, which was directed by her mother Hema Malini just to revive her career. The story was loosely based on another movie directed by Hema Malini herself, Dil Aashna Hai, back in 1992, starring Shah Rukh Khan and Divya Bharti. Isha Deol's movie flopped, and with that, her career sank for life. Though she did appear in 4 movies after that, 2 movies down south and 1 with Govinda Chai Garam, but the movie never released in theatres. और इसके साथ ही उनका करियर बॉलीवुड में समाप्त हो गया। Number 2. फरदीन खान. It's been a decade since फरदीन खान्स लास्ट मूवी दूल्हा मिल गया रिलीज्ड, जिसमें फरदीन के साथ शाहरुख खान और सुष्मिता सेन भी थी. Directed by Mudassar Aziz, who once dated Sushmita Sen, was just another flop movie in the career of Fardeen Khan. Fardeen, who appeared in more than 25 movies, gave only 2 hit movies ever in his career, Hey Baby and All the Best, and both these movies were multi-starrer. Maybe Fardeen should have opted for the career path of Ritesh Deshmukh by appearing mostly in multi-starrers, क्योंकि रितेश को अपने करियर में बहुत पहले ही पता चल गया था कि वो अकेले अपने दम पर मूवीज को हिट नहीं करवा सकते, पर होनी को कौन टाल सकता है, और फरदीन खान भी बस एक फ्लॉप एक्टर ही बनकर रह गए बॉलीवुड में, और बॉलीवुड ने उनसे अलविदा ले ली। Number 3. उर्मिला मातोंडकर. My personal favorites from the 90s Bollywood. Urmila Matondkar was a star even before her first Bollywood movie Narsimha released because of her appearance in many movies and TV series as a child actor, most famous being Masoom, where she played the daughter of Naseeruddin Shah and Shabana Azmi in 1983. Urmila gave many hit movies in Bollywood, and she was one of the hottest stars of her times, giving some really bold scenes in movies like Daud, Pyar Tune Kya Kiya, Rangila, to name a few. Her last movie released in 2008, EMI, Liya Hai To Chukana Padega, starring Sanjay Dutt. After that, she also appeared in few more movies doing character roles or just appearing in songs or doing cameos, but in reality, her career got over in 2008 itself. She married a Kashmiri model turned businessman Mohsin Akhtar Mir in 2016, who has done a small role in Luck by Chance. Number 4. Harman Baweja. One of the shortest ever career of a Bollywood actor, Harman Baweja did 5 movies in total, and all of them flopped at the box office. Harman Baweja is a son of a Bollywood movie producer Harry Baweja, who has produced many movies like Dilwale, Qayamat, Dil Jale, Main Aisa Hi Hoon, including Harman's debut movie Love Story 2050. Given Harman's lack of acting skills and tendency to ape Hrithik Roshan, just look at this. Harman Baweja's career in Bollywood was short-lived. Though he did a decent job in What's Your Rashi, but people didn't like the movie at all. Maybe the comparison with Hrithik Roshan didn't go in favor of Harman Baweja. He was also known more as Priyanka Chopra's ex-boyfriend, who also did not take much time to jump from a sinking ship. So what is Harman Baweja currently doing? Who cares? Number 5. Zaid Khan. Coming from a successful lineage of actors such as Feroz Khan being his uncle and Sanjay Khan being his father, they had never been able to taste the success in Bollywood films. His whole career was based on a very big, helpful gesture from his own brother-in-law Hrithik Roshan, who declined the offer to work in Farah Khan's directorial debut Main Hoon Na as the character role of SRK's brother Lakshman, and asked Farah to cast Zaid instead. But even then, Zaid couldn't capitalize the success of Main Hoon Na Or maybe due to the lack of acting skills, his career never really took off. Though Zaid has worked in almost 19 movies till date since his debut in 2003, and there's another movie he might be seen in 2020, Desi Magic, with Amisha Patel. But I can't find a single person who might be interested in watching this movie. The last 10 years, Zaid Khan has appeared in just 5 movies. This in itself tells us a whole story why nobody wants to cast him in his movies. Nepotism doesn't work for everybody, it seems. Number 6. Adhyan Suman. If you search for Adhyan Suman's pictures on Google, the first 6 images of him will come with Kangana Ranaut. Because the biggest limelight and media coverage Adhyan Suman ever got was when he dated Kangana Ranaut while doing his second movie Raz, The Mystery Continues. मजे की बात यह है कि अध्ययन सुमन ने कंगना रनौत पर इमोशनल और फिजिकल अब्यूज का इल्जाम लगाया था, because of which many people lashed out at him for trying to get his 15 minutes of fame. पर फेम तो छोड़िए, उन्हें चंद और मूवीज के अलावा और कुछ न मिल पाया. अध्ययन सुमन has been away from films for a long time. However, it seems like Adhyan has moved on in life and has even found love. He is currently dating Myra Mishra, an MTV Splitsvilla 11 contestant who is creating buzz on Instagram with her tantalizing pictures. Number 7. Preity Zinta. One of the topmost actresses of Bollywood in the early 2000s, Preity Zinta has been working on and off in Bollywood for the last 13 years now. Her last big release came in 2007, Jhoom Barabar Jhoom, which failed miserably at the box office. Her last hit movie was Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, which released in 2006. Though we saw another movie, Bhaiya Ji super hit in 2018 starring Sunny Deol, Arshad Varsi, Shreyash Talpade, Preity Zinta and Amisha Patel, but the movie tanked at the box office. Preity Zinta is also a co-owner of Kings 11 Punjab, an IPL team. She bought this team with her ex-boyfriend Ness Wadia, with whom she broke up after filing a police complaint that Ness Wadia molested, abused and threatened her during a match in Wankhede Stadium on May 30th, 2014. Later on in 2016, she married her long-time American partner Gene Goodenough at a private ceremony in Los Angeles. Number 8. Vatsal Seth. Launched with the super hit movie Tarzan in 2004, Vatsal Seth became an overnight star with his killer looks and voice charm. But even that didn't impress our Bollywood producers, who shied away from casting him in their movies. His next movie came 3 years later, Nanne Jaisalmer, और उसमें भी उनका छोटा सा रोल था. In the next 7 years, he did few movies, but since 2014, when he did Jai Ho as just another actor in this multi-starrer, which was basically a Salman Khan movie, Vatsal only did one movie, Malang, which was recently released this year in February. In those years, he did many TV shows and became a popular name, but Bollywood remained a distant dream for Vatsal. He is married to Ishita Datta, sister of Tanushri Datta. They recently appeared in a song called Kithe by Vishal Mishra. Number 9. Ruslan Mumtaz. His career doesn't even have a single movie where Ruslan would have managed to showcase his skills as an actor, though he did some 13 movies since his debut in 2007 in Mera Pehla Pehla Pyar. None of the movies he did are worth mentioning. And I'm sure आप Ruslan को पहचानते भी नहीं होंगे. The only movie of Ruslan that you might have heard is जाने कहाँ से आई है, also starring Ritesh Deshmukh and Jacqueline Fernandez. Son of character artist Anjana Mumtaz, he also appeared in few episodes of Balika Vadhu, but he never really got work in Bollywood or in television. And since then, he has just been a mystery to the audience. Number 10. Imad Shah. Son of the great Nasruddin Shah and Ratna Pathak, Imad was launched by his father Nasruddin Shah in Yun Hota To Kya Hota in 2006, which was also the first movie as a director for Nasir Saab. The movie got a lukewarm response from the audience, and Imad never really found his calling in the mainstream Bollywood movies. All 9 movies that he did after that can be called art films, or films that are meant to be for selected audiences only. He has a live-in partner Sabah Azad, who is also an actress. They have recently worked together for a Netflix special, Will You Be My Quarantine, which is available on YouTube. Sharing the link below, it's a nice story, do check it out. But Bollywood seems to remain a distant dream for Imad as well. Well, this is my list of the 10 Bollywood actors who don't come in movies anymore. If you like the video, share it, and if you haven't subscribed the page yet, hit the subscribe button now. Till we meet again, हम है राई प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.